What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a lost or stolen Chase credit card. Let's get straight into it. So it's a pretty simple process. All you got to do is follow these simple steps that I got for you, and that's going to help you to do it. So first step is to log into your Chase online account. You just want to log in on the mobile app, or you can log in on the official website. And once you're logged into your account, all you got to do is click on credit cards, and then you got to select the credit card that is lost or stolen. And now next you're going to click on account services, and then you want to select report stolen, lost or stolen. And after that's selected, you're going to confirm that the card is lost or was stolen, and Chase is going to help you to cancel the card, and they're going to issue a new one which you're going to receive. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to replace a lost or stolen Chase credit card. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.